In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make simple egg muffins using plantain. These are the ingredients we need: plantain, egg, carrots, runner beans, peas, and all that. We are going to dice them into pieces, into small chunks, and with our spices, and so we are going to get started. To get started, we're going to start by turning off our stove and warming up the pan. So what we are doing is adding in a little bit of olive oil, pouring in our onion, and we are going to leave it to saute for some minutes before adding in the carrot, the peas, the green beans, and our other spices. Okay, so these are what I'm doing right now. Sauteing it for at least 3 minutes to get the carrot soft enough before adding in our spices. Our spices are cayenne pepper, onion powder, salt, parsley flakes, oregano, and these are the spices I'm using for this. So you can use any spices of your choice depending on what you have available, but nothing should stop you from trying out this recipe. Trust me, you'll love it. Stir it well and allow it to steam a little bit. So I just stir it, allow the spices to go in well in the carrot and the other things. So I'll leave it for some minutes, allow it to saute for some minutes, and take it off the stove. Taking up the stove now so that we can continue the other process of the egg. Look at it, looking very beautiful already. So now we're going to crack in the egg. So I'm using 10 pieces of eggs because I'm going to make this recipe into two plates. I'm going to use Moi Moi pan, and I'm also going to use a muffin pan. So you gotta have either of them available so you can use them. So I'm starting by breaking in the egg before adding in other things. Mix the egg very well. When you mix the egg well enough and you see that it's well whisked, then you add in your already prepared carrots and other ingredients. You add it into the mixed egg. After this, I'm going to add in my plantain, my chopped plantain, and I'm going to stir them both very well. Yeah, if you have other ingredients like chicken, whatever it is, you can lay your hands on that you prefer in your egg muffins. You can add it to it. You can see it looking beautiful already. So what we're going to do now is to prepare our pan. We'll grill it with a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. So we'll do the same thing for the moi moi for pan when I'm going to use it. You'll see I'll show you how to do that already. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure that the pan is well prepared before adding in the mixture. This can serve well for quick breakfast. You can even prepare this ahead. You can prepare it overnight or a day before. Just leave it in your fridge or in your freezer and microwave it the next day, and it's ready to go. It's a quick grab breakfast, trust me, and it's healthy as well. So now I'm going to top in the sesame seed. So there's absolutely no reason why you should not eat your sesame seed. This is sesame seed I'm using, so I'm topping up with sesame seed to give it that extra nutritious taste as well. So we're not just eating egg muffin, we're also eating other nutrient that comes with sesame seed. All right, so now I'm going to bake. I'll be baking this for 15 minutes, 10 minutes to 15 minutes, depending on the type of gas cooker you're using. This is the Moi Moi pan that I'm going to be using. I've already greased it with the oil, so I'm topping in now with the mixture, getting it ready to go into the oven as well. You see, very simple, very simple. I'm topping it with sesame seed is because sesame seed contains a lot of protein that will also get you still full for longer. Okay, so it's perfect for breakfast. So let's get this baking once and for all. It turned out perfect. We baked for just 15 minutes and it turned out so good. So if you're new to this channel and you will love healthy recipes like this to keep you going without you thinking too much about your recipe, then click that subscribe button and also share with your friends. Okay, so enjoy your egg muffins and keep eating healthy. Until next time I come your way again, my name is still Marymatt and I talk health.